Now we are going to see about Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 is an operating system that was developed by Microsoft in the year 2015. It is the follow-up to Windows 8 operating system which was released in 2012. Next concept, Windows 10 desktop. Children, when you turn on your computer and log on to Windows, the main screen area that you see is the desktop. Children, for example, actual desk. It is similar to an actual desk which serves as a surface for your work. Children, if you want to write anything comfortably in our school, then we will use desk. Children, in computer, if you want to do any work and any task in the computer, then we will use this area. This area is called desktop. Children, look at the screen carefully. Last week we have learnt about this one. These are icons. This is folder. This is children. If you want to open your document videos in the computer, then you will save the document videos in the desktop. That is a good way for you. If you want to open the icons, double click on it. It will open. You can see this one on the screen. The programs or folders that you open appears on the desktop. You can also put files and folders on the desktop and arrange them however you want. Next concept, features of Windows 10 desktop. First one taskbar, second one icons, third one recycle bin. First one taskbar. Taskbar is found at the bottom of the computer screen. Children, look at the bottom of the computer screen carefully. This is taskbar. It shows you which programs are running and allows you to switch between them. It also contains the start button on the left side. And it displays the date and time on the right side. You can see this one on the screen. This is date and time on the right side of the computer. Next we are going to see about icons. Icons are small pictures which represent programs, files or folders available in your computer. Children, look at the screen carefully. Now you can see the small pictures. These pictures are called on icons. Children, when you double click on an icon, Windows will display respective program, file or folders. Children, for example, now I double click on Google Meet application appears. Next we are going to see about recycle bin. Children, look at the screen carefully. This is recycle bin. It is a folder which functions like a trash can. When you delete files, it gets stored in the recycle bin temporarily. These files can be recovered whenever required. They are not deleted permanently. Let's see example for recycle bin. Children, look at this one. This is file. I am going to delete this one. So that I right click this one. It will display menu. Now I click delete option. You can see this one. This file is deleted. Now I click recycle bin folder. Children, look at this one. We have deleted this file only. This file is appeared here. Now right click this one. You can see this one. Click restore option. Now this file is disappear. Look at the screen carefully. The file is disappeared. Now close recycle pin. You can see this one. We got the file again. Now only we deleted this file. If you use recycle pin, you can get the deleted files. Children, in this video we have learnt about Windows 10 operating system, Windows 10 desktop, features of Windows 10 desktop.